Most of us on Social Security who move to Mexico have the hope of being able to afford healthy food.
Chopped vegetables.
The vegetables cost $7, and this is what was left over, and the chicken was $3.50.
This is a green tomato sauce with cilantro, a touch of onion from the blender, that's all. And then underneath all this, I have shredded chicken. Cool? This will dry up a little bit while it's cooking the vegetables. And then I have a rice from yesterday that it'll be really good with. That rice also had cilantro, parsley, and green things in it. So we're gonna have a chlorophyll day. So this is the rice I had yesterday with green things in it, delicious green things. And we're going to agregar, that means add it. Agregar la arroz. We're adding the rice. Agregar la arroz de ayer. We're adding the rice from yesterday. How's that for a Spanish class?
And it always tastes good. And healthy for us.
So we just boiled betabel, which is beet. The water that was left over filled a pitcher halfway, and we added the other half just clear water and ice, and we had a very refreshing drink. Anything that we make with fruits, vegetables, herbs, seeds, and to drink is called a tea.
Té de betabel. An organic drink is a té. Té de betabel.
We didn't have to add sugar, and it's just a nice bouquet, right?
Ajo. Pollo. Aguacate. Queso. Aceite. Freír. Rebanadas. Rebanadas. Caldo. Acomodar. Acomodar. Pollo desmenuzado. Desmenuzado. Pollo desmenuzado. Huevo hervido. Huevo hervido. Ensalada mixta. Ensalada mixta. Let us be your expat coach for Huatulco. Go to our website and book a consultation call or a boot camp training tour. Come on down to Almost Heaven Huatulco. We'll see you soon.